Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because I'll be building my first custom mechanical keyboard. I've had this keyboard for nearly half a year now and some of the keys just stopped working. But I wanted to enjoy using a mechanical keyboard again instead of using, you know. Anyway, let's get on with the build. Since this is the first keyboard I'll be building, I'm starting with an entry-level GK61 kit, which I bought from Banggood for about $45 with some discounts. It also came with a nice curled cable to plug the keyboard into your device, and some useful accessories such as this keycap puller and switch puller. Surprisingly, it also came with an extra plate with stabilizers for a split spacebar configuration. So for the switches, I'm using Gateron Wait, where are the Gateron yellows? So for the switches, I'm using Gateron yellow switches, which require 50 grams of force to actuate. These switches came with black bottoms and milky tops. These are better than regular Gateron yellow switches in my opinion, as milky tops are generally smoother and has a lower pitch sound. However, it comes down to what your personal preferences are on switches. And now I'll be looping the switches with Krytox 205 grade 0, which honestly took me quite a long time. Anyway, here's a montage. Here's a sound comparison before and after lubing. As expected, the loop switches were less scratchy and sounded better than the unlooped switches. Now back to the GK61, I unscrewed all the screws and disassembled the keyboard. Once I removed all the screws, I took the PCB out of the case. I placed the foam into the case and gently placed the PCB back. As you can see, the stabilizers came pre-lubed, so I had to clean them off. To do that, I placed the stabilizers in warm soapy water to get rid of all the lube. After drying out the stabilizers, I used Krytox 205 grade 0 to loop the wire and the housing of the stabilizer. I repeated this for all 5 stabilizers. Once I was done, you can see that there was an even thick coating of lube around the wire. And now it's time to assemble the keyboard. Since the switches came with black backings, the RGB didn't go through that well. I then tested the keyboard to make sure that all the switches were working. And now for the keycaps. Here's a sound test of the keyboard. Well, I had a great time building this keyboard, and I think it turned out pretty well. I like how it sounds and how it feels. I'll probably do a follow-up video on this keyboard really soon once I've used it for a couple of weeks. Well, I hope you learned a thing or two about building keyboards from my video, and thanks for watching. And also please like and subscribe.